Okay guys, I'm going to show you a very quick tutorial, if we can call it that. This is just something that's always asked for regularly, and a lot of people don't realize that they already have the solution right in front of them. Everybody asks for a UV grid so that they can see it or preview it without actually messing up their materials. Literally just saw another post today, exact same thing. So I'm going to just show you really quickly how we can do this. Making sure that my object is selected, and he is. I'm going to make sure, okay, I'm using UVs. Typically I work with just paint. So I'm going to go in the shader editor and I'm going to zoom in on my material. I want to make sure we go to solid shade view up there in the 3D viewport. That's going to give us the feedback that we want with the single texture. I'm going to add a UV map, and that's actually just a node. It's just going to say, okay, here's the UV map. Let's plug it into this particular texture. We want to add a new image. With a new image coming in, we don't have to name it anything, but we can. We're only going to call it UV grid. And right there in the interface for creating the new image, we can choose UV grid right there. And now it's not plugged into the material shader tree. It's just sitting inside there. It's not affecting the shader at all. But because we've clicked that as being an active image node, we're able to see it in solid view right there. And so depending on what you want to do, you can go to the UV space and you can work out your UVs. And I think I just forgot how this works. I was sitting there trying to say, well, show me the UVs, and until I realized, oh, I need to select the vertices before I can actually see anything. And right about there, and now you'll see the pattern over the image. There used to be a feature in a Bart Crouch add-on called Texture Paint Plus, where you could just toggle that image and have it come up and then go away, and that was very convenient. But now we don't really need that, because you, like I say, you already got the ability to do this. Okay guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I hope that helped you out. Have a great one. Keep blending.